Dear friends, today, the moment I was free from the yoga practices in my Kachna Park, one of the students, he came and asked me, "Sir, would you please explain me the benefits of book reading, because I want to read more and more books." I told him there are ample benefits of book reading. It can positively affect our life. Book reading strengthens your brain. It's book reading, it increases your empathy. It's a book reading which builds your vocabulary, and it's a book reading which reduces stress. It's a book reading which aids sleep, and it's a book reading alleviates depression, and it's a book reading lengthens your lifespan. I told him this is why today I am sending these two books of Thomas Hardy, The Hand of Ethelbert and The Woodlander by Thomas Hardy, to the former Director General of the Federal Judicial Academy. He's, I think, more than 19 years old, but he's voracious book reader. And rare are the people like Chaudhry Hassan Nawaz, who always speak about books, for books, and from the books. All the best, Hashim Abro from Islamabad. For books and from the books. All the best, Hashim Abro from Islamabad.